noticed on the app, the marine radar app, a ship is on its way through. It's just come through the Chester Road swing bridge to the side of Warrington. She is the Arklow Raider. It's quite a big ship, that, so that'll be good. Hopefully I can get down to Wig Island swing bridge in Runcorn, just by the Jubilee bridge, maybe a little bit further down, and have a little film of this. So she's there at the moment, and we are going to be sometime. That one's the Mersey Gateway Bridge. This is the Silver Jubilee. We are looking to be potentially, this is our swing bridge, Wig Island, Old Key Street in Runcorn. So I'm either going to be here or a little bit further down, around here somewhere. That's that then. Let's go and catch this ship. Definitely going to crack on now. Let's see if we can catch it. Hope you enjoy. Turn that stereo off. Don't want any copyright infringements. Would fill me up with your buttercup or whatever it was called. So hopefully we can get into a good position, get a good shot of this. I've been wanting to get a shot of this. So she should be here any moment.
Turn the page. We'll live in endless summer. Elevate. Wide awake. We'll live in endless summer.
got some good shots actually, to be honest. A bit worrying with the drone, it was a little bit windy. It was only my little mini drone, and it does have limitations, but hopefully you'll see by the shots there's some quite good shots. The weather wasn't the best, it could run with a bit of sun and that, but apart from that, super. So let's get home, get it unloaded and see how